Weed gardener's nightmare, right? So today I'm going to share with you a way that I control weeds, or just something that I do not want it to grow in the area that I want it to grow. So I will keep a layer of clipped grass on top. You can put down a layer of mulch and eventually it'll break down and it'll turn into this brown nice soil. It used to be just clay. Or you can put a layer of mulch, not mulch, I mean clipped grass, and the grass can supply a nice amount of nutrient, but it's also keep the soil moist and keep the weeds out. It adds a lot of good benefits. So another way I always do is to plant very tight. This is literally 1.5 feet, and I jammed in here a lot of plant. So anything that's underneath here will be shaded out and not going to be able to grow. I have some, but very low. A way to control weed is to grow very thick. No sunlight is able to come and shine through down here, so what can grow underneath here? Not weeds. These are my plants. This is basil. This is my mother's worth. I'll go to cola. And no weeds. Not even a single weed. Very thick around here. No weed. Even if there's weed here and there, it's very manageable. I mean, it's completely shade out underneath. It's very thick. No weeds. So grow more so you get less weed. I hope this helped, and let me know by giving me a thumbs up if you like this video, or share with me what other methods you control your weeds. In the spring, I also sometimes put a layer, scrape off, like every year or two, I will scrape off this layer, and I will put like a thick layer of cardboard down, brown cardboard, and that'll keep the weeds down. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Bye bye.